Hi again, back at the farm. You can see behind me we planted 5 200-foot rows of snap peas yesterday. It got down to about 32 degrees tonight, but they look fine. And now we're about to plant, behind me is the Waterwheel transplanter, lettuces alongside the peas. So I'm here today with our crew. This is Emma and Mandy behind me. And we're about to hop in the transplanter. I'll just show you a little bit about this machine because it's pretty rad. It's really changed our whole farm game. So this is the transplanter. You can see it has 2 wheels right here where water that's in these tanks, it comes out down this hose and then through these nozzles. And when you turn them on and go, the wheels make little divots in the soil and the water comes out right there. So you get water directly in the hole, which is great for a transplant to immediately get watered, but it also doesn't water around it, so the weeds are less likely to grow. And then we popped all these plants out. You can see this lettuce, it's really ready to go in, but we popped it out for easy planting. And Emma and Mandy will sit right here. And as the tractor goes super slow, we go about 0.2 miles per hour, they'll just put the lettuce into each hole. So I have these at 1 foot apart. The variety we're planting it's like a Salanova variety. It's from High Mowing, but you can cut it for a salad mix because every leaf is the same size. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and we'll show you a picture of what it looks like while we're going and then after we're done. So now on this very windy day, this is what the beds look like after we planted the lettuce. You can see on either side of it, the water wheel went through, punctured holes, and it's very windy, but you can see there's a little redhead lettuce in there. And they're all the way down alongside 3 beds we did. The paths were, because we watered the peas last night, they were very wet, so we decided to stop before doing the rest of the beds because driving over a wet bed with a heavy tractor just compacts the paths, and then water will have a harder time draining from there on out. But we used all the lettuce, so then on these 2 beds we're going to plant kohlrabi and I think a little gem lettuce type, and then over here we have celery root that really likes the warmer temperatures, so that's why it's on black plastic, and something else we need to figure out. But we used white plastic over here because peas, they stop producing when it gets really warm, and if you get them out this late, you don't have a big window before they ease up on production. So we wanted to cool the soil down as much as possible. That's why we laid white plastic. And this plastic over here, it's biodegradable. So after a while, around November, it'll break down and you can just till it right into the soil. This stuff you'll have to pull up and throw it away in the landfill. So I prefer the black plastic. We put most of our, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes on this biodegradable black plastic, but for things like peas and our strawberries, we use the white plastic. So thanks for watching in another week. You can see behind us now, a different day. We planted fennel right here, and then we're gonna plant the upper 2 beds with celery root next week. So it's supposed to rain tomorrow. We did a lot more seeding in the field and got some more plastic laid, so we're ready for things to get watered in and then continue next week. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.